Good morning. It is October 18th, 11:23 a.m. Today we're working on a Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter hemi. We're doing spark plugs, we're doing a leak detection pump, and oil change only on this one. And we got the oil. And then we got a bunch of other goodies here. We got the leak detection pump. This is a brand from O'Reilly's. You can see that. And then we got 16 spark plugs. Got oil filter. Then we got all the spark plugs in there. 16 spark plugs in total. The rest of these sensors are for the Chevy Malibu, same owner. It's a Chevy Malibu 1.5 liter. It's got two camshaft sensors and a pressure boost sensor or intake boost sensor, something like that. I don't know. We'll get to that video later. But so yeah, we're gonna be taking out spark plugs out of this one. There's not a lot of room towards the back end, but I already got some of the coils out. You can see it. These are the dual coils. And they use a 10 millimeter. Towards the back end, you're gonna have to use a short 10 millimeter with the smaller ratchet because there's not really enough space because of this damn loom right there and those two hoses back there, so there's not enough space to put your hand in there. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and start doing that. I already took off 4 coils on one side. I'm gonna take off the other four coils off of this side, and then start changing out the spark plugs. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove the spark plugs on that side right now, and I'll show you another video of those spark plugs, how they look. So the problem with this was a cylinder 8 misfire, but it didn't show me a coil misfire. It just says cylinder 8 misfire. So I suggest is the spark plugs, the most common problem. But this truck does have 60,000 miles, and he has not done the spark plug change, only oil change. But the oil change is way overdue already. It's a little low in oil as well. But we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed up too as well. And we'll check other things like the brake fluid reservoir, and I already checked the coolant. The coolant's fine. And power steering. Never mind about the power steering. I think this is it's electric rack and pinion. Yeah, it is. Anyways, yeah, let me go ahead and do that.